The China-Laos Railway is a docking project between the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative and Laos strategy to convert itself from a landlocked country to a land-linked hub. The electrified passenger and cargo railway is built with the full application of Chinese management and technical standards. The construction of the project started in December 2016.
中老铁路沿线所有车站建设、装修都具有浓郁地方特色。中国铁路建设公司结合国内站房施工经验，将中国传统的门斗结构、特色窗花和老挝国花、糌粑花等元素巧妙运用到门柱、门梁及外立面幕墙施工，体现两国美学文化。
The trial operation of the passenger service information system has been completed for the Laos section of the China-Laos Railway by November 20, with all the 10 new terminals in Laos ready for service. The passenger service system mainly includes the ticket system, the integrated station management platform, the passenger broadcasting system, the integrated display system, and the video surveillance system, among others. So far, all the 10 China-Laos railway stations in Laos have concluded their departures on November 10.